Hello and welcome. My name is Adrena. I am the owner and accountant here at Accounting by Adrena. And in today's video, we're talking all about strategies for ending the year strong. That's right, Q4 is upon us. Ending the year strong and preparing for the fourth quarter is crucial for business owners as it sets the tone for finishing the year successfully and starting the new year on a positive note. So I'm going to talk all about 7 ways that you can make the most out of your final quarter. So I would just suggest taking out a pen and paper and let's get to it. Now, the first way you can make the most out of your final quarter is by reviewing your financial statements. I would actually suggest you do this on a quarterly basis in general. It's what I do. I actually like to look at it on a monthly basis and then look at it, the analysis on a quarterly basis. So when you analyze your year-to-date financials, I want you to include your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Analyze so you can assess how your business has performed throughout the year, identify any trends, strengths, and areas that need improvement. I actually have a few videos about financial statements, so I'll go ahead and link those videos down below in the description box in case you have any questions on exactly how to create your financial statements. So the action item here is to set financial goals. So based off of your analysis, set realistic financial goals for your fourth quarter. This could include targets for revenue, profit margins, or cost reductions. If you are a service-based business like myself, you probably already have an idea of what your revenue is going to be. My suggestion to you would be make sure to look at those expense line items to make sure that you're keeping your costs as low as possible where needed. There might be some times when we need to spend money on marketing or advertising efforts, and maybe there's times where we pull back from that. So think of it as a whole picture. Think of it in terms of the 4 quarters of a whole year. And then this is also a great time where you can start thinking about the new year and what financial goals you'd like to hit next year. All right, the second way that you can make the most out of your final quarter is to review and adjust your marketing strategies. I think this is an important note. Evaluate your marketing performance. Analyze your marketing efforts from the past year to determine what worked and what didn't. Use that data to refine your strategies for the fourth quarter and beyond. You want to make sure at this time you're also planning out your holiday promotions. This is your action item. The fourth quarter includes major holidays like Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Christmas. Even the New Year is in there. So develop your marketing campaigns that can capitalize on these events and drive sales. Now, the third way is to prepare for tax season. I know this might hurt some ears out there, but make sure that you organize your financial records. Ensure all your financial records are up to date and accurate. This is just a double check of your financial records. Hopefully, you are doing this a little bit throughout the year. This will definitely make your tax preparation easier and help you identify any potential tax deductions that you may have for the upcoming tax season. Your action item here is to consult with a tax professional. So schedule your meeting with your CPA or your tax advisor to review your financials and discuss any tax saving strategies that can be implemented before the end of the year. That's a very important point. All right, let's move on to number 4, streamline your operations. So review your operational processes, identify any inefficiencies in your operations that could be streamlined or improved. This might involve adopting new technologies, automating repetitive tasks, or even revising certain workflows. So your action item is to make sure that you're planning for your downtime. If your business experiences a slower period during the holidays, use that time to conduct maintenance, train staff, or even implement new systems. I know this year is going to be a little bit different for me, but generally speaking, we like to make sure that we keep a very quiet holiday season so that we make sure we're spending time with our family and our loved ones. So you want to make sure you're planning for that. And this would involve lots of communication with your clients, with your customers, to make sure that they understand your holiday schedule and that they prepare in advance for your downtime, for your time off. The fifth way is to plan for the upcoming year. Now, I love doing this. I love thinking about goals and strategies and systems and operations. Like that part of it, I absolutely love. So make sure that you're setting strategic goals. Begin planning for the next year by setting strategic goals that align with your long-term vision for your business. So this is the same time where you want to consider new products, market expansions, or even process improvements. At this time, you also want to make sure that you create your budget. This is your action item. Develop a budget for the next year based on your financial performance and goals from this year. This will help you allocate resources effectively and prepare for any potential challenges coming down the pipeline. I have already started to work on my 2025 forecast, my budget and forecast. And that part is pretty exciting to me. There's lots of potential in 2025, and I'm excited and I'm ready for it. Now, the sixth way is to monitor your cash flow. So ensure sufficient cash reserves. Make sure you have enough cash on hand to cover expenses, especially if you anticipate a dip in revenue during the holidays. Sometimes that happens, especially with product-based businesses. If they don't necessarily have a product to sell for the holidays, they might experience a dip in revenue during the holidays. Make sure you have enough cash to cover those expenses during that time. So at this point, you want to follow up on any outstanding invoices. Make sure you're collecting on outstanding payments from your customers. That can improve your cash flow before the end of the year. I just want to take a minute to make sure that you know that I do have a weekly newsletter that goes out every single week. If you are not signed up for my newsletter, please feel free to click the link below to sign up for my weekly newsletter and that you are the first to know of new YouTube videos coming out. We post our blog posts over there and any other exciting news that's happening over at Accounting by Adrena. So I would love to have you on my newsletter list, and go ahead and click that link below so you can sign up. If you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you can be the first to know of new YouTube videos as well. And if you have any questions on this video, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I love reading through your questions and comments. Sometimes they're inspiring for new videos, so I absolutely love to receive your comments down below. All right, now the last point is to reflect and celebrate. Review your achievements. Take time to reflect on those achievements and those milestones your business has reached over the past year. This helps you appreciate progress and build motivation for the future. And especially if you have a team, make sure you celebrate with your team. Make sure that you acknowledge their hard work and their dedication to your business. And this can be through like a holiday party. You can do a team outing, small gifts. Boosting morale and fostering a positive work environment is going to go so much further in the long run. And I absolutely love sending my contractors little gifts in the mail. And it's so easy to do now that we have Amazon too. It's just a click of the button. So by implementing these strategies, you as a business owner can maximize your performance in the fourth quarter and set a strong foundation for the new year. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful Q4, and I will see you in the next one.